Welcome to this video where we explore Sollet, the ultimate crypto wallet for managing Solana-based assets. In this comprehensive overview, I'll show you step-by-step how to use this powerful wallet to send, receive, and manage your Solana tokens effectively. The first step is to visit the Sollet website. You'll immediately notice the clean and intuitive interface designed to make navigation simple even for beginners. Sollet is a browser-based wallet, so there's no need to download any software. You can create a new wallet or import an existing one using your private key or seed phrase. Always ensure your backup phrases are stored securely offline for maximum safety. Once your wallet is set up, explore its main features. You will see options to send, receive, and manage assets. Sollet supports various tokens on the Solana blockchain. To receive tokens, simply click the Receive button, select the token you want, and copy the wallet address displayed. Share this address with the sender to initiate the transfer. Sending tokens is just as simple. Select Send, enter the recipient's wallet address, specify the token and amount, and confirm the transaction. Sollet ensures speedy and secure transactions, thanks to the Solana network's high-performance blockchain. The wallet also features an option to connect with decentralized applications, dApps, on the Solana ecosystem. By clicking Connect Wallet, you can seamlessly interact with dApps for trading, staking, or other blockchain activities. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Security is a key aspect of Sollet. Always double-check wallet addresses and transaction details before confirming any transfers. Sollet also allows you to customize settings for advanced security options, providing peace of mind for your crypto management. Ready to take full advantage of Sollet's features? Don't forget to sign up through the special link in the description for a bonus as a new user. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and enable notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Your support helps us create more valuable content.